Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000 North-South Leg. This is a road that takes you from Kingston to Ocherios. Now on the old road, Fates Pen was a very popular place. The old road now, the old main road, was a very popular place to stop when traveling to Ocherios. So when this highway was built, the structure you're looking at straight ahead was built to move the vendors from Fates Pen to this location, so people on the way to Ocherios could still stop and get the food. Now, I'm not sure why. As you can see, it did not work. That's a bathroom facility on the left. They even had a wholesale store out here. And here you can see it's totally abandoned, and ironically, so it's Fates Pen. Fates Pen might have 30 stalls, and probably only about 4 or 5 are in operation. And you can check out the videos that we have up on Fates Pen, and you can see that the area is nothing like what it used to be. Now, this is a highway that's a Texaco gas station built across there. So this was the plan, the master plan, to move the vendors here, but as you can see, it did not work. I'm going to show you this side. They even have security out here. I'm not sure why. You would have security for empty buildings, but so this place didn't work. Completely abandoned. And the highway is used. I mean, the traffic is on the highway now, without a doubt. Because the old road where Fates Pen used to be, as we said, it's nothing how it used to be. So now I've heard, nothing confirmed, but I've heard this location had to do with the rent. And they even had a wholesale there. That's the bathroom facility there. But in theory, this was a good idea to move the vendors here because the traffic is on the highway. Now, we are out by Monique area. The exit and entrance is known as Unity Valley. Now, you don't have to. This is the exit to come off the highway, and then you get back on right there. So there's no additional toll plaza to go through when you're on the highway. However, if you're not on the highway, you're in the Monique area, you have to pay toll to come here, and if you were to exit, you'd have to pay toll also. So perhaps the traffic from the highway would not have been enough. I don't know. But in theory, it was good to set that place up. It just didn't work. Alright, so we're back on the highway now. And this is Highway 2000 North-South Leg. And this highway was recently renamed the Edward Seaga Highway. So you can get from Kingston to Ocherios in 45 minutes. This is what you call a game changer. The toll on the highway, there is toll you have to pay to use it, but the time that you save, it's worth it. So this road has the traffic, just doesn't have the vendors. Alright guys, so let us know what you think is the reason why that area did not work, the new vending area. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive on Highway 2000 North-South Leg, also known as the Edward Seaga Highway.